Hi, my name is Dennis Mboro. I'm a digital marketer, and there is one question that I've had many business owners facing, one major headache that business owners tend to have. And this headache has everything to do with how businesses can attract target customers. So they have an idea of the customers they want to meet. They have the passion of the problem that they are trying to solve, but how will they get these customers coming to them? So customers are very interesting people in the sense that you find that some businesses attract so many customers, they are struggling to keep up with the demand. They are struggling to ensure that they can continue to serve these customers very well, whereas other businesses are having the problem of attracting these customers. And the main question is, why do customers tend to go to certain businesses and not to other businesses? Why is it that they tend to be drawn to one business and, let me say, repelled by another business? So that's a very big question that you may have in your head. And ultimately, what customers are drawn to is where their needs are served best. So where their needs are served best is the place that customers are going to go to, is a place where they are going to recommend their customers, or rather their friends, to go to, and that is the place that they are going to build, because essentially a business is usually built by satisfied customers. And what is it that makes a business serve the needs of the customers best? So a business can only serve the needs of the customers that it is able to understand. But what usually happens is that you find business people, maybe especially when they are starting off, is that they have got this great idea, they have got this great thing that they are trying to do and they are trying to bring to the market, but they expect that this product is going to appeal to each and every person. And with the thought that it is going to appeal to each and every person, it ends up not satisfying a lot of people. And when it doesn't satisfy many people, then ultimately the idea fails. But imagine if it is like the example that we see of a watermelon, a very nice, juicy, watery fruit, especially in a place that is super hot. Uh, Imagine a business that now tries to say that they are going to try and target people who are active, people who are health conscious. Then they are more likely to have success in trying to serve the people who really need and who are really looking for and who are really interested in healthy living, as opposed to just the general masses and the general population. So what digital marketing does is just to communicate that you have got that ability to serve your target customers best. It is just a way of putting it out there and demonstrating that you have the capacity in yourself to serve the customers that you want to serve. Remember, not the entire population, but that person that you want to ensure that you can serve them in the best way possible. So how do you communicate this in marketing? So the way you communicate this in digital marketing is by coming up with a message. So this message is what is going to inform, it is what is going to inspire, it is what is going to determine what you put out there. And this message is what is going to tell your customers that this is the place that I need to go to get the product that is going to, or rather the service, or even the service that is going to satisfy the need that I have. So when you look at Facebook, for instance, they promise, and what they say is that they have technology that can help people connect with friends and family and build businesses. And that is why most of us are on Facebook. We are on Facebook to connect. We are on Facebook to connect. We are on Facebook to be in groups that are related to the interests that each and every one of us has. LinkedIn, they are connecting the world's professionals, making them productive and successful. So anytime you have a professional success, you put it up on LinkedIn, because the people who are on LinkedIn are people who connect with that and are interested in that kind of message, and that is how they have built their platform, and that is how they have done their marketing. So the question that I have for you today is, what message do you have? What message are you putting out there to draw customers to your business?